Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, friends, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today I am going to give you the dictation from a newspaper passage or editorial. So be ready for the dictation of this exercise. Rule of law means the rule of law and law alone. Full stop. All arbitrary decisions are prone to quash the rule of law. Full stop. An authoritarian order manifests the rule of power instead of the rule of law. Full stop. Rule of law entails equality of all the citizens irrespective of sex, caste, creed or color, and ensures justice to all and sundry. Full stop. If basic human rights of any individual cannot be asserted in a court, there is no rule of law. Full stop. No civilized society can exist in absence of a regular system of justice, and therefore independent judiciary consisting of highly merited and consistent judges is essential to do justice between different individuals, and especially between society and the state. Full stop. Similarly, there must be a fearless bar to courageously uphold the cause of the people. Full stop. Apart from any government, there must be rule of elected representatives who must be chosen by the people, and not having been selected or foisted on people by a dictator or his agents through process of controlled democracy or engineered elections. Full stop. The rule of law implies that government authority may only be exercised in accordance with written laws, which are adopted through an established procedure. Full stop. The principle is intended to be a safeguard against arbitrary rulings in individual cases. Full stop. The rule of law is fundamental to any kind of democratic order, whether it is parliamentary or presidential form of government. Full stop. The rule of law is cornerstone of well-functioning democracy, while if it is blatantly violated, the establishment of a democratic structure in the country is jeopardized. Full stop. Though our country at the outset of its creation was lodged with problems, including that of a 1,000 mile of hostile territory between its two wings and a hostile neighbor hovering at both boundaries, had we observed the rule of law, we could have retained our eastern wing and avoided fall of Dhaka. Full stop. It was the absence of the rule of law that fractured our political, economic and social system. Full stop. It is tragic that even after 55 years of its existence, the state is looking for sustainable democracy. Full stop. The rule of law ensures stability, discipline and order in the society. Full stop. But its absence and rampant corruption leading to erosion in social values are two main hurdles to the betterment and development of our country. Full stop. The constitution of a country is a living and vibrant document that determines the future direction of the nation, provided there is respect for the document that stand for rule of law. Full stop. In a country where a single person is authorized within bracket by self-claimed decree or through an authority itself lacking competence under the law bracket close to amend the supreme law of the land, there can be neither democracy nor constitution. Full stop. One wonders that the Quaid-e-Azam, who was all out for the rule of law for the whole of his life and fought to achieve an independent country for the Muslims entirely in a constitutional manner would have felt and said of today's Pakistan, full stop.